What's up, everybody? Welcome. My name is David. You can call me Drones, and this is another video in this YouTube channel. Remember, this channel is about Figma how to do, and what design. Yeah, and design. However, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make this simple effect in Figma. Yeah, you click on it, it blinks here in Figma ASAP. I don't know how many steps it's going to take, but it's going to be really easy and for us to do it. So I made this in like 2 hours. Yeah, feeling proud. Like my shoulders up. Who you be? And I'm going to quickly just do this here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody. So let's recreate this ASAP, right? So what I did first was to have my text pad created. That was what I did first. So how to create this? I'm not doing that video today. However, I'm going to be just creating that simple thing. So just grab this guy. Already created this guy, right? So bring this guy outside, and we'll make him the length we want. So what's the length here? Go to design, sorry, 359. So let's click on this 359, 359. Remember the task at hand is to make this guy blink this way once we click on it. Cool. So this 39, and we want to duplicate this, right? We have the 2, which makes sense. We already have the numbers in here using our Figma new update on auto layouts. You could already see that it's already it's everything just there, right? And cool. Basically, this is it. And okay, yes, I almost forgot the next step. Next step is to make all of them like a frame. That is hitting Ctrl Alt K on a keyboard, make it a component. Sorry, or you come here and then click component. They are both components. Then you get this component and you get this component and you combine as variants. Voila! You combine them as variants. And as you have combined them as variants, I'm going to say, yeah, we have to move this guy to this guy and set the triggers. Go to prototype from here, select this guy, you put it here, and when you do that, you go to this place. Now, in the last video, I mentioned how you can do this, and I use a specific term called you make it look water. Now, what we're going to do, I'll make it look water. That's what we're going to do now. And you select this trigger, it's on click, perfect, correct. You come here to smart animate and remove, click on this gentle. It won't be gentle, it could be easing, whatever it is, it could be anything here. But you click on it, it could be even linear, you click on it, then you go to custom spring. Click on custom spring and you see the prototype when you hover on it, right? So you want to make this water. You hold on this dot and move this upward. So like any number you like. If you like, I think the high is looking like this is left for you, or you can bring it to 200. Let's make this. Yeah, I like the way it does. Yeah, I like this. This is basically one of those things in interaction design where it's more like you're giving users feedback that they are typing the wrong thing, most especially for passwords, and without having to bring a pop-up that says wrong password. So this is one of those things you do. The animation helps us pass that message. Yeah, I learned this from listening to Pablo Stanley notes, and let's just continue. So now we have this right, and cool. We need to also test this guy, drag this guy from here, put this here, and we want this to work differently. So now if you imagine it, when the thing shake for a while, you don't want it to go back to the original, like the original form of it being good, being accurate. It's the same shaking, right? Because then yeah, the message is now wrong. So you come here, you won't touch this guy. You go to this, the same thing after delay. You go to after delay. Now remember you're editing this one. Let's even add color so you don't make mistake. So sorry I'm using pidgin for people who are not in Nigeria. It's pidgin. Whatever I speak that you don't understand is pidgin, and I'm not going to stop speaking. Just it does make sense. So now I'm going to select this guy, go to design, and I'm going to click alpha and go up and make this. I already have this color here, so I'll just add this color to it. Now this helps users understand, okay, this is probably a different, they work. That's why it's showing red like that, it's going to shake, that kind of thing. So go back to prototype. Now we want to prototype this, right? So it's on click. You change from on click, you do it to after delay. Select after delay and select the seconds. Let's put 40 seconds. 40 seconds is good. 40 milliseconds is good. Then everything is okay. Let's test it out. So now you would want to put this inside basic test. So you get this guy, that's the default state, and then you hold Alt on your keyboard and you drag it out. Good. Name components. Don't be like me. Please kindly name your components. Easy. It's easy. It's good. It's good practice. It's very good practice. I'm doing it. I'm learning it myself. So you select this guy, Control X, and then you come here, then Control Alt Shift, and then you press V. Paste and replace. That is Figma's paste and replace. It came out last config. It's nice. I can't believe it has been a year. Oh, the old though. Why did we? I just did my birthday last week. Guess my age. Whew, feels good. But then it feels good. It feels so good. You already have it here, which is nice. You already have the interaction and everything. So let's test it out. You get this guy and then you click on play. This is it, right? And let's test it out. So let's click on this. Yeah, click on this, and then you wait 40 seconds. It's still doing blah as it's going back. We don't want to ease out. It's not going to do blah as it's going back. Sorry, the flickering. That's what I'm referring to as blah. So as it's going out, we'll go back to this interaction. Mind interaction, this interaction here, this line. You click on it, you go to custom, and you put gentle. Yeah, or you go to custom and just ease out. Right. Cool. That's just the go on you. Now let's test out again. 40 seconds. Good. This feels easy. The reason is mostly about the user experience idea of it, because if I click on it and it blinks, oh, I know I'm clicking the wrong thing, right? And if it blinks and I still go back again, it doesn't just feel right. It blinks like this, I'm doing the wrong thing, and then it just keeps back and I'm like, okay, it's now normal. That kind of thing. So that's everything I have to say about how you can do this in Figma. I hope you've learned a thing or two. And leave a comment, like this video. Please like and subscribe. Subscription helps me a lot. So thank you so much. Share, and if you have a question about how to do any specific thing here or how you want to do other things, kindly leave a comment below or tell me what I didn't do well or what I did well. Thank you so much. My name is David. You can call me. See you next week. The next video, I don't know what I'm talking about, but you know, that's just, you know, I don't really get. At this moment, I don't know about. I mean, in the next 2 seconds, what happens because yeah, that's just it, guys. Bye.